Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me and for joining me in a very special week. I've got 5 projects coming out to you that are all focused around Sentimental Swirls, which, if you didn't know, I helped design this stamp set as part of the rewards for achieving over 1 million in sales, personal sales, which I did 2 years ago now. So yeah, it's very exciting. This launched on Tuesday and I'm absolutely thrilled with it. It comes, obviously this is the English version, but there's also French and German too. Very exciting. That's my name is on the side. Oh, and I'm a bit like a giddy kipper really. So I have got 5 projects for you this week that you'll see here on YouTube. This is the first one. But in conjunction with that, I've got 5 more projects that are in a private online class. Now, you can get access to that private class by buying this stamp set through me. And obviously you can buy it in French and German as well. If you buy it through me, I will automatically give you access to the class for free. Or if you're perhaps outside the 5 areas that I can sell into, you might want to buy the class. So there's that ability too, and it's £5 for the class. So I can, you can buy this from me if you're in the UK, obviously, the Netherlands, Austria, France and Germany. So those 5 locations, and you can get hold of this, like I say, French, German and English. Or you can buy it online. So details in the description bar. But this is today's project. So this is gold heat embossing on black, and I've decided I'm going to see what it looks like with silver heat embossing over Blackberry Bliss. Now I've already cut my card base, so you just simply take a piece of cardstock and you cut it in half and score it in half. So here's my full original piece. So I've literally cut it in half and scored it in half. Okay, you want another one to layer over the top, which I don't know how well you're going to see, but I've got a tiny little border. If I show you on this one, that you make ½ centimetre shorter and narrower, or maybe 1/8 of an inch, or even 1/4 of an inch, but just so you get a little border. But that is so, if you mess this up, you've got spare. And I'm going to need that for my flowers and my little banner. So first things first, let's get out all the bits I need. So this is a very well loved stamp set. So I need those, and I want my thank you. So there's 10 projects this week. I've already done goodness knows how many. I think something like 12 or 14 for my presentation that I did for Stampin' Up. I did a whole load then. I've done more that have come out to you on YouTube as we were launching this. So yeah, loads of projects. What I will say is that all of this week, all of the projects that are here and on my channel, in my class, you don't need any design series paper or anything. We are working stamps, paper, ink, and in this case, embossing powder. Right, so I've got my Versamark. And I'm going to give this a really good ink up. And oh, I've got a kitten who's just brought me a toy. Thank you. Very grateful for her bringing that to me. So, and then I'm going to immediately, while it's wet, I've got a scrap of paper to collect the excess. Pop that on there, pull that back, and then this flower and one of the leaves matches the flowers and leaves punch, this one here, and then the small little 5-petal flower, that matches this one here. She's going to take this toy, let me just send her that way with it. Right. And I want 3 of these. Let's get that a little bit of a dust off as well. I need to leave a little bit of a gap, just because of the extra bit of punching. And I'll come to the words in a minute. So let's get that. Actually, maybe I'll just do it now. Let's just do it now. Let's do it all together. So I'm going to put this right down at the bottom, and then I'll cut to size afterwards. Put that away, and then I'm going to get my embossing gun going. So I'm going to give you a second just to turn the volume down because it's quite loud. Okay, so this is like alchemy, it's magical. So I'm hoping this is going to focus. The dry powder is going to go suddenly shiny and metallic. You see that beginning to change. Love doing this. I forget to remember to do it. I thoroughly enjoy it, but yeah, I forget to remember sometimes. See that shine on those flowers, and yeah, the word's just beginning to change. And pop those off to one side. You know what? I've got a couple of little smudges there. Last bit. Oh, done. Okay, the other reason why I do this as a separate piece of paper is that heat embossing is going to make it bend a little bit. I actually had that quite close, but it's still going to make it bend a little bit. So if you heat emboss onto a separate, different piece of cardstock, you don't get that issue. Right, so let's punch these out. One. I should also say, if you have already bought this stamp set from me, since it launched on the 4th, of course you will automatically get access to it. Access to the class, I should say. I forgot to mention that before. But yeah, you'll automatically get access because, you know, why not? No, seriously though, I did put a blog post out saying that I had the class coming and that you'll get access this week. Okay, so like I say, that's curled a little bit. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to use some Seal Plus, and I'm going to go with quite a bit of it because I want this to be nice and flat when it comes on my card. There we go. Rub over that. Let's just flatten that up. And then these, I'm just going to give them a bend to make them 3D. This is quite nice with the silver. Black and gold is very elegant. I think so. I was reading a book the other day, a fictional book, and it said, ew, black and gold is just never elegant for the sophisticates. And I'm thinking, I love black and gold. I like to think I'm quite sophisticated, thank you. Which I thought was quite funny. So, all right, just pop one there. One there. And then I want to get this lifted up before I put the last one on. So, ooh, new packet. Oh no, I thought that was a new packet then. I was quite excited. Last one of these, pop that down there. And then I'm just going to finish with a trio of rhinestones, which I've just moved. I've had a real overhaul in my office. Not completely finished, as in I've still got some stuff to put away. But yeah, if you've been on Instagram at all, I did share some pictures between Christmas and New Year when I did the bulk of it. Ooh, that's just popped all the way up there. And yeah, complete overhaul and moved quite a lot of stuff around. Moved a lot of furniture over on the other side of my office behind me. This area hasn't particularly changed that much, but I've moved stuff. Right, so there you go. There's my two versions. So gold on black and silver on Blackberry Bliss. I think they're lovely. Very nice. So to write inside, you would maybe go for a chalk marker or a metallic pen, one or the other. I don't think I've got either close to hand. But yeah, something like that. Or just put some white cardstock inside, or maybe vanilla. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to see you very soon. Bye.